Hello everybody, it's Mario from Hall Bikes. So we're here at 2019 AIM here in Columbus, Ohio. So just wanted to come up here, give you a little bit of a bird's eye view of what's going on here. So right now in the background, what you can see, this is all e-bikes. I mean, you've got Cake, you've got Super 73, a bunch of different electric electric bike manufacturers out here, kind of showing the new bikes that are out there, getting people familiar with the product. So as you can look out across, you can see all the various manufacturers. We've got clothing here, we've got parts and accessories here, we've got bikes. All right, so you can see out there, you can see Yamaha, everything here. There's Honda back there, Italian Trade Commission, which is really cool, promoting everything from Italy. Harley Davidson's here. Okay, so you've got all the manufacturers here with their bikes. Now this is on the inside of the convention center here in Columbus. If you go outside, we've got all the manufacturers out there. We got Kawasaki, we've got Suzuki, we have Yamaha, we've got Honda, Royal Enfield. You've got stuff from Vanderhall, all right, and they're all doing demo rides. So they've got demo rides out there. You can go ride around city of Columbus. You can check out different vehicles all in one spot. So, but this is AIM. It's going on the rest of the day, and I would encourage you, if you get a chance, come out, see what it's all about, have a little bit of fun. It's a great place, and there's a lot to see and learn.